The ultimate guide to PPC marketing. Pay-per-click (PPC) marketing is a digital advertising model where advertisers pay every time their ad is clicked on by a user. This model allows advertisers to drive targeted traffic to their website and only pay when someone is interested enough to click on their ad. In this video, we'll dive into the world of PPC marketing, how it works, and its benefits. Understanding PPC marketing. PPC marketing involves placing ads on search engines or other websites and paying each time someone clicks on those ads. These ads can be text, images, or video, and they are displayed to users based on the keywords they search for or the type of content they are viewing. Advantages of PPC marketing. PPC marketing provides businesses with several advantages, including the ability to target specific audiences, control their advertising spend, and track their results in real time. By using PPC, businesses can reach their desired audience, reduce their cost per lead, and increase their return on investment. Creating a successful PPC campaign. To create a successful PPC campaign, businesses must first identify their target audience, create compelling ads, and carefully choose their keywords. They must also continuously monitor their campaign's performance and adjust their strategy based on the results they are seeing. Common mistakes to avoid. While PPC marketing can be incredibly effective, there are several common mistakes that businesses should avoid. These include not setting clear goals, targeting too broad of an audience, not using negative keywords, and neglecting to track their campaign's performance. Conclusion. PPC marketing can be an incredibly powerful tool for businesses looking to drive targeted traffic to their website and increase their return on investment. By understanding how it works and implementing best practices, businesses can create successful PPC campaigns that generate real results. However, it's important to be mindful of common mistakes and continuously monitor and adjust your strategy to ensure your campaign is performing as effectively as possible.